organisations and teams investing a great deal of time and money in their business process management system want to know that it will be used by its intended audience. Over many years of working with hundreds of organisations implementing a BPM system, we at Triasta have identified the 10 key steps to take to ensure that yours will be. 1. Be clear on the purpose of your business management system. In order to achieve your objective for your BPM system, you need to be clear on what your objective is. This is the foundation for all else. You, your team, and your senior sponsors must all be able to answer the questions. What is the purpose of our BPM system? What objective do we want it to achieve? What problem is it going to solve? 2. Get the system structure right. The structure of the system must support the agreed end objective. At Triasta, we firmly believe that your BPM system should sit at the heart of your organisation and should promote consistent working, help break down silos, support continuous improvement, promote an effective quality strategy, enable quality accreditations without disruption to business. And most importantly, the structure must support the core purpose of your BPM system and make sense to its end users. 3. Think about the target audience for your BPM system. If your BPM is going to support your whole organisation, this may seem like an easy one to answer, but that the answer everyone is not that helpful. However, there will be certain things that everyone working in your organisation will have in common. They will be familiar with your corporate branding, your website, and other core systems. This knowledge should be used to design an interface to your BPM system that will be recognisable and appealing to its end users. 4. Use an intuitive navigation. At Triasta, we offer our customers 2 types of homepage architecture for the BPM systems, click and hover. The hover interface is a traditional web menu hierarchical structure, which is controlled by moving your mouse over the navigation options. Top-level options can be accompanied by an image. The click interface is a scene-by-scene based architecture. Users move through the typically 3-level hierarchy by clicking through a storyboarded, customized environment. We find that customers in industries such as engineering, construction, defence generally adopt the hover interface, whilst customers in education, the public sector, and customer services industries tend to prefer the click interface. 5. Get the tone of voice correct. Whilst developing the design of your chosen homepage, be that click or hover, think about the key messages that you want to communicate. The message to be conveyed will depend on the objective for the system. It will also depend on how heavily you want to replicate the design of another system or resource, such as your intranet. If your intranet is well designed, used and liked, replicating its approach may promote usage of your BPM system. Triasta's customer Interserve FM designed their system Prism in line with their intranet Iris. Both now have a strong brand and image which end users like. 6. Agree a theme that will appeal. The place to start is with a system name and logo. SunGuard Availability Services call their Triasta system Ask Pat. PAT stands for Process Application Tool. With a name in place, the development of a strong logo and theme was fairly straightforward. A strong theme best enables development of an identity for the system. 7. Develop an identity for your BPM system. Identity should extend well beyond the system itself. Spread the word about it by using the name, logo and theme as widely as possible. If budget permits, promote the system with useful giveaways. Even with limited budget, the system's identity can be promoted by leveraging the theme with opportunities to see. Lastly, explain the reasons for the system's implementation and how employees will benefit from using it. 8. Involve end users. Involve as many people as possible in the capture of content for the system. When involved in its development, people will be much happier to use it. 9. Ensure the content is accurate. Even the best structured system won't be used if the information it contains is out of date or inaccurate. Ensure that all content published to your BPM system has been reviewed and signed off as accurate. 10. Communication, communication, communication. Generally, people won't use a system unless they know about it and understand how using it will benefit them. So tell them. Leverage your theme, the system's identity, and tell them all about it. Use your organisation's usual channels, communication channels, to get the word out there. For example, newsletters, bulletins, emails, electronic notice boards, launch events, meetings. And one final thing. Make sure you visit our website blog page and search Business Process Management for even more expert content on BPM. There's something there for you whether you're a beginner or an expert. And please share this content using the social buttons if you found it useful. Thanks very much for watching.